Ever seen a UFO museum in the middle of the desert? Or a mountain made of recycled paint? Today, we're road tripping to America's weirdest roadside wonders without trashing the planet. Buckle up, eco-warriors! From giant twine balls to alien conspiracy hubs, these stops are wild. But here's the best part. You can explore them sustainably. Let's dive in. Meet the 20,000-pound twine ball that's been growing since 1953. Want to add to it? Bring biodegradable twine. No plastic, just pure weirdness. This place is out of this world. Literally. Pro tip: pack zero-waste snacks for the drive. Alien sightings burn calories, you know. This rainbow mountain, made from recycled paint and adobe. It's like Instagram threw up confetti, but eco-friendly. Oh, and wear reef-safe sunscreen. This desert sun doesn't play. Stonehenge's cooler, gas-guzzling cousin. Want to visit? Rent an electric car. Mother Earth is greater than vintage Cadillacs. This beach sings when you walk on it, but after sandy toes, rinse off with biodegradable soap. Trash the vibe? Never. Camping near UFO hotspots? You'll need an eco-tent. Lightweight, solar-ready, and made from recycled materials. Alien abductions? Optional. So, ready to road trip responsibly? Hit that subscribe button and check the description for all the links. Gear, free camping checklists, and more weird wonders. Remember, saving the planet is the coolest adventure. Later, Earthlings.